my name is Poonam Singh and I want to welcome you all in this special training program. So our today's topic is FOMOWay portable magic device, and in this session we will learn how to operate the device and what are the benefit we can get with device, and what is the quality we have, how we can get the different therapies with the device, right? So I hope you are ready to learn operation and the other things about this device. So as we are aware that health is very important for us, and definitely we cannot ignore our health. Why? Because we want to get the good quality of life, and without health definitely we can't do it. We cannot be happy without the good health. But the problem is that today we have the very fast lifestyle and we don't have the time for us. So due to fast lifestyle and high pressure in our life makes various health problems, right? As per WHO, there are the three categories, right? Healthy, sub-healthy and patient. Healthy, only 5% people comes into the category of healthy, and 75% people comes into the category of sub-healthy, and 20% patient, 20% people are in patient. So let's discuss about this. What is the healthy? So it means they have physical health, mental health, social health. So in short, we can say they have the optimal health, right? And what about the patient? Patient are who admitted in the hospitals or unable to work their daily routine also. They are patient. So what are the sub-health? Sub-health, maximum people comes into the category, and this is the condition that the person cannot healthy, and they are not healthy, and they are not patient also, but still they are facing many problems. Which type problem they are facing, I want to share with you, like weakness, tiredness, dizziness, fatigue, high blood pressure, low blood pressure, sugar, insomnia, diabetes and much more. So because of this they are suffering, they cannot able to get the quality of life, and when they get this type of disease, what happens? They have to go to the doctor, and doctor give the medicine. Sometimes the modern medicine is unable to give the wonderful result, right? And medicine, definitely medicine, herbs, medicine and chemicals and drugs definitely can give the side effect to us, and today we definitely want to get the good health but without any side effect. What do you think? Am I right? So physical therapy of traditional Chinese medicine can improve the many health conditions. What are the therapy about? So let's discuss about what are the therapy. I will share with you, like massage, and like Chinese massage, acupuncture, acupressure, hypothermia, scraping, cupping. So these are the therapy. From this therapy we can get the excellent result without any side effect. So these are very popular therapies, but there are some disadvantages also, like that strong technicality, inconvenient operation and potential safety hazard. So because of this everyone cannot use this therapy. So we have a very beautiful and small product who has the four function in the simple and single product, and that is tense function, vacuum function, laser function and heat function. So tense function will give the if you want to get this therapy from the other device available in the market, so we have to buy that is the bioelectrical device. And for the vacuum function we have to purchase negative pressure device, and for the laser function we have to purchase separate device, and for the heat therapy again we have to purchase another product. So if you want to get all these function to have by four separate devices, right? So what are the problem with this? So there are some problem. That first problem I want to introduce, that inconvenient to carry, because all these equipments or device we can say these are so heavy, bulky and the big size. So this is not so comfortable to carry one place to another place. So that this type device we can use on the fixed place, and we have to wait for the patient so they can come and take the therapy. we are not able to move with this product. So this is the thing. And the second one is a single function. So one device has only one function. So as I already shared with you that if you want to get the 4 therapy, we have to purchase 4 product, right? So the cost will be increased, and definitely the potential safety hazard by during the operations, like electric shock can be possible, scald can be possible. So this is not safe, and everyone cannot feel comfortable by doing this therapy. So what we have B, it means Huawei is presenting portable magic device, and the what is a good quality, that better than previous similar product, right? So I will share you about this. So first of all, I want to tell you that this product is based on traditional Chinese medicine and using modern science and technology. So this is the simple combination and the unique combination, that TCM and the modern science and technology both are in the single product, and it has the 4 therapy, right? TENS therapy, vacuum therapy, heat therapy, and the laser therapy. And what are the result they can give, we will see in my next slide. So with this therapy, for example, TENS therapy can give us bioelectricity waves to us, and vacuum function, we can say negative pressure, heat we can understand, and laser with laser. So by using this therapy, we can enjoy acupuncture, massage, hyperthermia, scraping, and cupping, and etc. Apart with this, we can get the benefit of the beauty solution, right? And slimming, so on. So this is the effect of this. So now I am going to unbox the Huawei portable magic device, and definitely you can see. So with a few seconds, because I have to arrange everything, I will give a pause for a few seconds and then we will start, right? So it's a little pause, then I. So we are back here to unpack the box. So now we will see what are the things we can get from this box. So I am unboxing this. So there is many things we can see. First of all, I can see a manual, and it has the certificate also. I will show the certificate to you. So it means it's quite safe for us, and this is the manual. So it's my personal suggestion that if you are doing the therapy on your customer or on any other team member of your group, so go through the manual first, and then follow the instruction given in the book. And next we can get the lotion in this to use the TENS therapy and the vacuum function. And this one is insulated glove, and you can see it's a very thin and safe, where we can use this these gloves to take for the TENS function, right? And this is the conductive gloves, and you can see this is the conductive glove. And one more thing I want to add here, that this is the button, and when you use it, so it should be wet, and this button should be upper side on your hand like this, right? So I am putting it here. This is the electrode or paster, we can say, and this is also for the TENS function. So I will put it here and will show to you later. And this is the connecting line for laser function, right? And this is the connecting wire to connect these gloves and equipment for the TENS function. And it's a premium charger, right? So this is the stand, and you can put the device on it for rest, and you can charge the device also with this. And it's a device, so I am putting it here, and then we will see. And one more thing I have in the pack, you can see this is a cotton peel to disinfect the device, so that we will able to use this device 1%, 2%, 3%, you know. So there is no any chance for the infection, because we can use this device, this pills. Okay. Now I am going to put this box in at the side, so I will show the other things also. how can we use this? So first of all, I will show fashionable and appearance. You can see this device, it's so beautiful, handy, very smooth, fashionable, and new touch sensitive screen, IMD technology, clear display, small and light, easy to carry and hold by one hand also. So there is no any pain in my muscles and by using the therapy on other person, right? And we can carry it anywhere because so light and beautiful also. And the grip is also good, that you can see that this is a grip easily. And now before using, I will show you that this is the charging base, right? So and this is the charger. So if you have the new device, so within half an hour it will be full charge and you can use it many times, right, within half hours, because we have the premium charger. And this is the device. Now it's very new, so I will show the another one. So all the things I have display on the table. Now I will show the portable magic device, right? So as I already shared that it has the 4 function: tense function, vacuum function, laser function and heat function. I am repeat it again for the better understanding. So you can see here 7 points, and these are this is the minus and plus to improve increase and decrease the gears. And this is the tense function, vacuum function, laser function and heat function, and this is the switch, right? So I am putting pressing this switch for few seconds, and you can see the minus and plus button looking bright, right, because it's on. Now I will share that tense function. You can increase the gear till 1 to 30, right? And now I will show. I am pressing on the tense, and now I can increase the gear. You can see 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be go to till 30, right? Not required to use till 30, but yes, when you doing this therapy by machine, so definitely you should use 15, 16 number of gears, right? So this is the tense. And now I will show you the vacuum, right? So I on it and press on vacuum. And vacuum gear you can adjust 1 to 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and start working. You can see properly like this, right? I will show later about this. And now the time to understand laser. And this one is laser. Laser you can use on 2 mode, right? Continuous mode and pulse mode. And continuous mode and pulse mode you can change it here, right? I didn't attach, I didn't connect the wire with the equipment, so you can not see here. But I will do the demonstration of laser, then you can see it. And now I will show the heat. So heat you can adjust till 1 to 5. 1 2 3 4 5, right? And start heating. So if you want to do the therapy, so you have to start heat. And this is a good combination if you are going to do the vacuum therapy. So vacuum and heat function, both are the very unique result you can get. And the same if you are using heat and tense, definitely you can get the good result, right? So these are the gear. And now I will tell you what is the tense. Tense means transcutaneous electric nerve stimulation, right? And I already share it will adjust 1 to 30, switch button, charging base. And what is the benefit we can get with this? Relief local discomfort, reduce pain, and relieve the pressure of local nerve ending, dilate blood vessels, and enhance self-healing power, enhance skin firmness, and provide the glow to your skin, make clear your complexion, and definitely make skin firm and elastic. So these are the benefit of tense. And now I will share that how can you use the tense therapy. So first of all, I will share with you that we can use the tense therapy with the heat. So it's already on and start heating, but it will take time to heat, right? So now I will show. I am going to press tense, and now I want to increase. as I share that we have to go on approx 15-16, then we can feel the sensation on tense. It's a start to feeling, right? And when you are using this, so there should remove the bracelet and rings and other metal items, right? And um, for the smooth movement, I will put this cream. You can use your favorite cream on your body, right? So you can see here, and it's already heat, so you can do like this. I am feeling the sensation. I should make it down because it's now it's okay with me. I am feeling comfortable, right? So you can use this, and slowly you can feel properly, right? So this is one way to use tense therapy, by the equipment like this, slowly like this. And now I will show to use this therapy by the glove. So you can see that I off the button and I will on it again, right? And for the gloves, first I have to wear the insulative gloves like this, and then the conductive gloves. And I already told you that the button should be upper side on the hand, so I wear it. And these insulative gloves should be outside from the conductive gloves, right, for the safety. And now I again wear it, and the button is on upper side, and this is the connecting wire. So I will connect this wire with the equipment, with device like this. I wear the gloves, so I feel like this. So this is the second part of the wire, and now I will connect it with gloves. Like this, right? The glove should be wet, right? And now I will on. And this is the tense. In starting 1 2 3 is sufficient, right? Keep in mind that if you are going to give the tense therapy to your customer and team member, you have to use your both hand. It means you can hold the hand by one hand and give the therapy by the another hand, right? Because it will make the circle. If you are using only one hand, it will not be effective, right? You cannot feel the sensation with this. So because I can't feel this because I am using only one hand. But yes, if I will apply on my face, that I can feel everything properly, right? So first I have to make clean our face and apply the matching cream, and then I have to apply on my face. So the movement should be upper side like this, circular motion, upper side, right, down to up, inner to out, circular motion, and like this. You have to use the both hand. If you are doing like this, that you cannot get the result and effect. So you have to use both hand on your face, right? So this is the way to use on your face and your other body parts, right? Now I will show the pads, paste, or we can say electrode pads. So I'm removing the gloves, and you can see here, right? And I will again it, and you can use this paste at the place when where you feel pain, the particular place on pain where you feel, you can put it and start, right? No need to use the matching cream, right? So I am feeling properly. So keep in mind that the distance should be 1 inch, 1 or 1.5 inch distance should be okay to use this electrode pad, right? So this is the 3 mode to use this. And the next I will show the laser, and this is the connecting wire, and you can see here properly, right? And this one is laser, so I will connect it with here, you can see, and then you can see properly there are 2 mode. So this is the pulse mode, right? And this one is the continuous mode. So 2 modes you can use the laser. So it's very effective for your sinus and your ear problem, your throat problem, and paragingitis, sore swelling on the throat, respiratory health, and ear problem like tinnitus and the hearing loss. You can use this. And how can you use this? It's a very simple to use. You can see a plug here. So put into your nostril and take the therapy. 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes you have to use both nostril and both ear and throat. So in this way you can use on throat, we can use like this, moving therapy, like here, right? And ear we have to use like this, and nostril you have to do. Okay, so this is the laser. And now the turn to show the I already show the heat that we have to press here and use. Now what I'm going to do, I'm showing the heat with vacuum. Vacuum, that is the cupping, and for the negative pressure, it's very beneficial for the health because it can enhance our body functions and stimulate blood circulation, nervous system, and discharge the waste from the body, right? In this way it can work. So I start it, and it's a vacuum, and again I am in starting 4 3 4 is okay, right? And it's depend on the customer. So first you have to apply the matching cream on your body where you want to apply. And definitely our TENS function by this machine and the vacuum function by this machine you have to do on the big part of the body, right? Because we have to use both parts, right? Like this. You can use this help in 2 ways. Particular place you can do a little tint and upper side, and movable like this. No need to give pressure. You can see the red marks on your body. It means your body moisture is not well. If you everyone can get the marks, but there if you feel the purple color mark and the dark blue color marks and black color marks, yeah, brown color marks, so that we can see we can thought that your body moisture is not good. But like this it's so okay, because within few minutes you can see that it's the stain disappear, right? So my body moisture is okay, right? And if I will apply any other place, maybe there I can get the dark spot. So this is the style to using the vacuum. And you can apply it on your back, shoulder, and thighs, legs, and where you can feel pain, on that places you can apply this, right? So in this recording I share each and everything for the operation and for the new person, right? One more thing I want to add, that this is the place where you can use this pills, right? You can move it like this and it will open, and at the part of this it's already have the pill, right? So when it will be finished I will put it here, new one, right? And then I will clean it, and right. So this is the information of portable magic device. But apart with this, I want to share some more things to you, where you should, where and when you should not apply. So if you feel any humidity in the environment, you should not use this device. And if any wire, any gloves, damaged, so replace it immediately. Don't use with damaged gloves and damaged wire. And no need to sterilize machine, basic machine, because it has already pills. So only clean with the tissue paper is sufficient, right? Like this, after the use, it is okay. So this is something. And some more thing I want to share, that you should not use this product on your brain, on your eyes, on eyeballs, on your heart, and private parts, like ladies on ovary and testicle of males, you should not apply. And on varicose vein, menstruating in women, if a woman is menstruating, don't use on that. Infants, it means shishu in Hindi we can say, not apply. And if anyone have the mental disease like epilepsy and other problems, so this device is not for them. And some more thing I want to share, that skin sensory disorder, and if anyone have the sensitive, very sensitive skin, this is not for them. And skin damage, infection, in that condition device cannot be used. And some abnormalities, and if a person use the pacemaker and brackets and other metal piece on the body like rods and other things, don't use this device, right? And if a person have the blood pressure, abnormal blood pressure, and diabetes, he should be, and tuberculosis, we can say the TB in short form, and high fever, don't use this. So this product is suitable rest of the person. Very few person can say that we are feeling swelling and the irritation, so don't use on that person also. And rest, all people can use it effectively and get the excellent result. So this is the Fohobi portable magic device. So time was so a very few minutes I have, so that I share each and everything. And you all have my number, so if any problem and any query you have, you can call me and send me the WhatsApp message to me. And thank you so much, and all the best to you all. Thank you.